How to block video calls on Facebook Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can stop or block video calls on Facebook Messenger. Now, first things first, to get things straight, what you'll have to know is there is no any option on Facebook or Messenger itself to block the video call only or to block any calls at all. Now, if you don't want to receive a call from certain person that is annoying you with calls frequently, then what you can do is you can either mute them or you can restrict the account itself. Now, I won't be getting into that part since it's quite easy to mute or it, but if you just want to block any calls and do not want to get notification for any calls, then you can block the notification entirely. In that case, if you have not opened up the Messenger application and if you're not active on the application itself, no one else will be able to call you, or even if they call you, you won't receive the call itself and you won't be shown online to them as well. So what you can do is you can simply go ahead and head over to settings, and then you can look in for Messenger directly. You can see Messenger app info and you can see notifications. You want to turn off the notifications completely. Now you can see notification categories as well. Under notification categories, you can see calls. You can turn it off, and this way you won't get any calls notification. So this way you can block the calls on Facebook Messenger or stop calls on Facebook Messenger. You can't block them entirely, but you can turn off the notification for it. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.